Hi everyone, my name is Chuck Watry and I'm a field product expert for Broan-NuTone. And today we're going to be making a short video on Broan attic fans on how to replace the motor if it were to fail. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you must always do before you begin is to make sure that the power is disconnected to the unit. Secondly, what you're going to do is you're going to remove this electrical box cover. There's a 1/4 inch screw that you would remove from the cover, and you remove it like so. Set it on the side. What you would have is you would have your electrical power coming in. There'd be a wire restraint. Depending on the wire restraint, some of them have a screw that you would loosen up, 2 of them, and that would, you'd be able to pull the wire out. You'd disconnect the black and white wire and pull the wire out and get it out of your way. Secondly, what you would do is you would remove this electrical box, and there's 2 screws. Again, these are 1/4 inch heads. And screw number 1, and screw number 2. Electrical box would come out. There is a spade terminal. You would remove that spade terminal just by pulling on it, and the thermostat cover will come out like so. To get this motor removed, you're going to remove 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to just use a socket, and we're going to undo this. Keep in mind I'm doing this on a workbench. You'd be kind of working above. And we almost got number 2 out. And there's 2. And we got 1 more. And there is 3. What you can do is you can grab this motor. Again, if this were mounted on your roof, this would come down right now, so you want to make sure it doesn't fall on you. You would just grab it, and this whole thing comes out like so. This is what we call a belly band bracket. What you can do is just loosen up 1 or 2 nuts. This motor, this bracket will slip off this motor. This fan blade is held on by an Allen wrench screw. I'm going to give you a little tip here. I'm going to move this attic fan out of our way so you get the gist of it here. This Allen wrench screw, this set screw is on pretty tight. What you want to do if you're replacing this motor, just measure the distance you have from the top of the hub from the motor to the top of the shaft, and set the new motor up the same way. What you would take is an Allen wrench, and what I recommend is taking like a nut driver and slipping over it, give you some leverage now. Just like so. And that blade comes right off of there. Sometimes being up in the attic for a long time, Rust and stuff can accumulate on there. What you can do, again, make sure the power and everything's turned off. Spray a little WD-40 on there. You know, if your attic's easy to get up into, maybe do that a day ahead of time. Just spray it and get it lubricated good. That way it'll make it a little easier for you. But that's all it is. Again, you would just loosen up 2 nuts. This bracket would slip off, and you just reverse the procedure for installing a new motor. So I hope this short video helps. Thanks.